Come along on a trip through time to the nexus of ancient cultures when a distinct monarchy grew prosperously in the center of Asia. There are many surprising encounters in the vast fabric of history, but few are as fascinating as the union of Greeks and Indians. With the help of Alexander the Great's daring eastern invasion in 326 BC, this improbable combination gave rise to a new chapter in history, the Indo-Greek Kingdom. This was an intriguing situation. Greek settlers merged with the rich fabric of native Indian culture to form a hybrid society that would last for many years. This singular meeting was more than just a passing occurrence. Rather, it was a strong cultural link that profoundly affected both civilizations and marked an amazing period in history. The Indo-Greek civilization emerged as a beautiful example of cultural symbiosis, a harmonic fusion of the vivid Greek and Indian cultures. This hybrid culture created a distinct social structure by skillfully fusing Indian and Greek manners and traditions. Remarkably, their religious rituals reflected this mix as well. They embraced Buddhism as a spiritual path while also honoring the Greek pantheon. A unique Indo-Greek language was also produced as a result of linguistic fusion, adding to the mosaic of common cultures. This mashup of cultures extended beyond language and religion to include dress, where Greek and Indian clothing blended together. The presence of this Indo-Greek community is a potent illustration of the richly woven fabric of many civilizations, demonstrating their adaptability and inclusion in the face of outside influences. The Gandhara school of art was a spectacular creative revolution that sprang from the furnace of the Indo-Greek relationship. This artistic endeavor created a new artistic language by combining Greek and Indian aesthetics in a unique way. Artists from Gandhara broke with traditional Indian art, embracing realism and adding fine details to their sculptures and relief carvings. This combination of creative forms was so powerful that it even changed Buddhist art throughout Asia. Buddha was shown in human form for the first time, departing from previous symbolic interpretations. As they say, history is frequently found in the minutiae. For the Indo-Greek period, such nuances are vividly brought to life through numismatic tokens. Coins from the era tell a fascinating story of cultural fusion. Coins that have been unearthed show an intriguing combination of Greek gods and goddesses boldly depicted on Indian metallic canvases, and Greek money with Indian lettering on it. These coins were more than just money. They represented intercultural harmony and were evidence of the blending of several cultures. The finding of coins bearing the names and likenesses of Indo-Greek kings is even more remarkable. It provides a powerful example of the intercultural interchange that occurred during that time. The fundamental core of Indo-Greek ties is rooted in the intellectual dance between Buddhist teachings and Greek philosophy. Known for their strict logic, the Greeks were mesmerized by Buddhism's mystical aspects. When these two schools of thought came together, an engaging intellectual interchange resulted that profoundly impacted both societies. One may argue that Buddhist teachings gained a deeper comprehension of Buddhist principles by assimilating the Greek emphasis on reason. Conversely, ideas like as reincarnation and karma made their way into Greek philosophy, giving it an intriguing spiritual dimension. The symphony of the Indo-Greek link continues to resonate even today. An exquisite example of their entwined past is the harmonic synthesis of Greek and Indian elements found in sculptures, art, and architecture all across India. A long-lasting influence of the philosophical escapades between Buddhism and Greece was the enrichment of several Buddhist teachings that remain inspirational. Beyond philosophy and theology, Greek culture is tinged with the vivid colors of the Indo-Greek past. Traces of this ancient cross-cultural interaction have been elegantly engraved in their language and art forms. Though the past may have faded, the Indo-Greek era's impact lives on, influencing culture in ways that time cannot completely erase. These remnants of the past serve as a reminder of the extraordinary diversity and resiliency of human history as a whole, a history characterized by the blending of many civilizations. Please subscribe to our channel if you want to see more amazing videos like this one. Press the bell symbol to get immediate notifications so you don't miss anything. Watch this space for fascinating updates and a never-ending supply of interesting videos.